Hello. I've read your article. I'm impressed. It was a great inspiration for my master's thesis. Now I also want to do a doctorate. Could you help me with some information about your work at Karlsruhe Institute of Technology?
Hi, nice reading from you. Congratulations on your master degree. Sorry, I'm playing volleyball now. Talk to you later. I have finished my training. I'm in the lab for work now. Yes, I choose Karlsruhe Institute of Technology for my doctorate, but most people use the short term KIT. Hey, hello. This is my library in my workplace. I will show you. Hello.
Hi. So now you put the blue one in there. Right. And delete this one. Yeah, and now it's set. Let's start. So you see, it's a red. Okay, so for the next one.
Sounds great! Regarding the Shanghai ranking, KIT has a very high position. What advantages do I have if I do my doctorate at KIT?
I can tell you something about engineering science, but wait a second, my professor just arrived. I will ask him what most of his doctorate researcher told him. Hi, hello. A friend of mine studied electrical engineering, and maybe our professionalist can give an introduction to her.
Hey, Hao. Thanks for the question and for the interest of your Chinese colleagues to come here to Germany. Yeah, we have big opportunities here. You just have worked here in our lab, and you can do this very independently. And if you need some support, we have a lot of even English-speaking technicians, and they help you a lot. But on the other hand side, you really can develop your own skills here, and you are not by your own and alone if something is breaking or something is not working. I think this is a big opportunity over here in Germany at KIT. And furthermore, you don't pay any fees here, as you know.
Perfect.
So it's not too expensive coming here. You can use your fees to go to Paris or to Berlin or to Zurich or somewhere else, which is a nice opportunity because, as you know, Karlsruhe is very near to all these very nice spots here in Europe. And KIT offers you also a lot of working groups with other students together. So you can go and move the e-race cars here and go for tournaments. You can do a lot of sports, and you have the possibility even to join flying groups with gliders. So I think this is quite a nice experience. And you develop your own personality here very good because you're far away from your parents and you are on your own, and I think this gives you nice opportunity to develop yourself also with other cultures. There are not only Chinese here at KIT, there are Indians, there are Americans, there are English people or French people, so from all over the world people come together here to study together. Even the professors are not only from Germany, they also come from other countries. So big opportunities you will have here if you come over to KIT. Welcome to KIT.
Welcome here, if you like it. Yeah.
Thank you. It's awesome that your professor had the time to answer my questions.
That indeed is something very common in Germany. If you have questions, you can always ask the professors.
I'm glad we found the time to chat.
No problem. I just ran an experiment and the results are very promising. Because of that, I'm going to reward myself tomorrow with a trip to the Black Forest in this fantastic weather. The trip is organized by the Department KIT International Affairs. We will visit Vossenbauernhof. Guten Tag, we have the excursion with the international KIT students to the beautiful Black Forest. and this is the Volksbauernhof, which has more than 400 years history. Let's take a look at how the farmers lived here in the 17th century.
When the guys in the valley knew that she was going to get the farm, she was taken on the most attractive woman in the valley.
Hello, back to work on Monday morning. Today I'll be visiting the Pioneer Garage at KIT to get advice on founding my own startup.
Hey, hello.
Hey,
How are you?
fine.
Great, let's have a seat. So how can I help you?
Good, I'm a PhD candidate from KIT and we have the innovation idea. We want to convert this idea to our industry product. So that's why I come here to look for this stuff.
Yeah, perfect. So you're in the right place. We are a student group and we support other students by giving them space to work. We support them by giving them knowledge through workshops and trainings, and we are also connecting them to our network.
Perfect, I'm in the right place. So I will show you our project in sketch.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Cindy and Brian in Karlsruhe Center City. My friends are also here.
Hey, I'm David. I'm doing my PhD in material science and I'm taking part in a strategic partnership between KIT and some universities in China. So next month I will go to Nanjing and Shanghai to do some next experiments. So let's meet up.
Hello， 我是米娅，我来自中国西安，我已经来卡鲁3年了，目前我在做我的博士毕业论文。我觉得卡鲁真的是一个非常漂亮，而且非常有文化底蕴的城市。我在这里遇见了许多美好的机遇。
很好玩，一定要过来。
下周我将飞去伦敦去拜访一位我的教授，在那里我将与他讨论一些关于我的毕业论文的问题。
See you in Karlsruhe. Cheers.
Hi, thanks for the videos and all the information. They were a big help in my decision-making process. I decided to apply at KIT as well. I found all the necessary information at the KI's website.
My proposal got accepted for a big conference in France. Next week I'm going to Paris for the poster presentation. That is just 2.5 hours by train from Karlsruhe. I'm so excited.
Good morning, sweetie. I hope you had a good flight and a successful start in Karlsruhe. Take care of yourself and many greetings to Hao. Big kiss from Mom.